Hey everybody, this is something that I kind of came up with late and I think it would be a really good idea. I'm gonna once again go through my room and introduce everything so that if you ever forget where things need to go or what the purpose of a place in my room is, you can check it out, okay? So the first and what I would consider one of the most important things in my room are the interactive bulletin boards. This is the grade 6 interactive bulletin board, and this is the grade 7 interactive bulletin board. The purpose of this is to give you the opportunity at home to work on skills that you feel maybe you need to develop a little more. There are two columns. There's a column here that says, I don't get it. These are activities that you can do that will help you get to the level of meeting expectations. The other column is I'm awesome and I can teach this to someone else. This means that you totally understand, you've been scoring exceeds expectations on your formative assessments, and maybe in class, if you have nothing else to do and you finished all your work, you'll come and you'll visit this board. Okay, the next part of the room that we're going to check out is the writing wall. If you look here behind me, you'll see notebooks. On the first level here, you have our journals. This is where we do a lot of station work, class work, project work, and you'll see that there is a box for every class. Below, you'll see the bigger boxes. For grade 7, you'll see bigger notebooks for writing essays, paragraph writings, that sort of thing, but basically it's a portfolio for all of your written work. Then in these two boxes, this is for grade 6. In the front of the box, you will find your interactive notebooks. These are where we take our notes and include tools that you can use in class to do certain assignments. In the back of the box, you'll find your written notebooks where you do all of your graded written assignments. Here we have our mailboxes. This is just 2 mailboxes out of the 4 total. I will deliver things to these mailboxes. You will never put anything in them. Every person has been given a number in class, and this has been color-coded. So the color coding for 7E is green, for 7T is black, for 6E is blue, and for 6S is red. So if you, for example, are in 6S and you are number 14, you will always check that mailbox. Next we have the big important dates board. This is basically the map, and we're in October now, so this is the map for October, and it has a lot of bigger things and events coming up. This is a section of the whiteboard where I put warnings. You all are aware of my behavior management strategy and what my policy is regarding putting names on the board. If you don't, check out the course packet, but I write them up here. This is the turn-in basket, and even behind it there's a little label that says turn in basket. Each class has their own basket, and they are labeled. Obviously, this is my desk. It's a no-go zone. This is the agenda board. I write up everything that we're going to be doing for that day. Beside it, you have your objectives. So I will write the objectives of the lesson and why we're doing them. Here you have a purple shelf with materials that at any point in time, without permission, you can come and take. This cart also has supplies that we use in class, but unlike the purple shelf, you must have permission from me in order to use it. We have our whiteboards that we use occasionally in class. We have markers, scissors, we have clothespins occasionally, and the station labels. As all of you know, we do sometimes rotate in stations, and so I have divided the room up into 4 stations, and I've actually labeled them with a kind of a picture frame that tells which station is which. And even sometimes when we're not working in stations, I'll still refer to that clump of desks as station 1 or station 2, station 3, or station 4. The last part of the tour is our reading corner. This contains our class textbooks and plus my class library. If you want to take anything from the shelf, you need to have permission. I hope that this has been a nice little reminder as to where everything is in my classroom, so that if you forget, you can always go back and watch this video again and again. We need to make sure that we are respecting our classroom, because it's a better way for us to learn if our classroom is neat and well. So if you have any questions, please let me know.